This is the Better Body Foods Refined Organic Coconut Oil. This is what I use when I don't use a liquid oil to cook. So I alternate between this and the other just because both of them are good for you. So I try to switch it up sometimes. This one has a high heat cooking, so you know that it's safe to cook on the stove with it. Has neutral flavor now. I have made the mistake of buying unrefined coconut oil, and there's nothing wrong with it, but it just has a very strong coconut flavor, so it will make your food taste like coconut. So I like to bake with coconut oil anytime it asks for canola or vegetable oil. This is what I use, and I just make sure that it's refined so it doesn't have that strong flavor. You can see right here the ingredients are only organic coconut oil. So I like that. This one comes from Utah. So right now I'm getting ready to make some taco meat so we can have taco salad. I'll show you what it looks like. It's just a white, thick consistency. And I just put this in the pot and it melts immediately. So I'm gonna I've turned my stove on, and it does not take very long for this to melt, and it will be clear. And then I will brown my meat there. I may have actually gotten too much. If for some reason your coconut oil in the container gets in a warm spot and starts to melt like this, as soon as you put it back in a cool spot, it will solidify back to its original state. So you don't have to worry about it changing the consistency or anything. You can see that has almost melted. It doesn't take very long, and much better for you than a seed oil. So I will put my ground meat in here and cook it just like I would. You just cook it like you would using regular oil.